why just hang out with your friends when you can also have some fun with them? Let's make things more interesting, shall we? Stay tuned for today's very friendly episode of Fun Friend Pranks. Presents require money, but why spend it when there's balloons?
Allow me, Nat.
Hey, what are you doing?
Trust me, this is just as good as those original cases.
And now for something a bit more hair-raising. Gotcha! Hey, what's happening? Looks like Jess decided to style your hair today, Zoe. Looks pretty good, too. Just you wait, Jess. One day you're gonna wake up bald. For our next prank, Mike is gonna temporarily become an artist.
Phobias aren't healthy, so I've decided to give Zoe some exposure therapy. Making that switcheroo.
And good morning, patient. Let's see how this works out.
Resistance to therapy, eh? Don't worry, Zoe. Dr. Mike will cure you in no time. Apparently, it's mine and Natalie's anniversary today. I was gonna get her some flowers, but then I thought I could just take a picture of them instead. Turned out pretty good.
Ben, he remembered. Huh? This is how he sends me flowers? Very clever. War's on, Ben.
I am starving.
Hey, babe. Thanks so much for the flowers. They're beautiful. I hope you're hungry. Presenting our anniversary dinner. Your favorite soup. And I know how much you love veggies. And French fries. Enjoy, hun. I know you'll love not having to do the dishes.
I guess Natalie didn't appreciate my conceptual photography after all.
Zoe's been sleeping all day, and I think it's time for her to finally get up. A little pepper up powder for our sleeping beauty. Aw, is something bugging you while you're trying to sleep, Zoe? Crawling all over your face? Yes, swat it, girl. Top of the morning to you, sleepyhead. Hey, Ben, a house full of pranksters isn't really the best place to fall asleep, especially when one of them is already on the prowl. Yes, this is definitely your color palette. Wait, we're not done yet. That's right, be a good boy and have some patience. These things take time. Why do you think I take so long to get ready?
Brand new day for me to seize. But first, Instagram. Wait a second. Ashley, what did you do? How do I get this off? I'll get you for this.
Caught a cold? Don't forget to cover your mouth when you sneeze. You don't want anyone else to get snot on them, do you? Of course you do. Nat, I'm just gonna dust. I think that's what's been making you sneeze. Listen, I am sorry you're sick, but could you please sneeze in some other direction? Sorry, Jess. Thanks so much for trying to help. That's it. Get out of here, you little snot monster. I'm bored. I wonder if Jess wants to hang out. Let's see if she's down to participate in a little arts and crafts session. Is it just me, or is our shower water far too clear? Good thing I know just how to fix it. Zoe, need the bathroom. One sec.
What is she doing?
Oh, you'll find out soon enough.
This is getting ridiculous. I'm falling asleep over here, Zoe.
Okay, looks like we're good to go. Hopefully Jess won't notice before it's too late. Sorry, Jess. I was, having some issues.
Great. Hope you at least used air freshener.
Is it my imagination? Or is toxic waste coming out of the shower? Not sure about toxic waste, but you look positively green, Jess. Mirror, mirror on the wall.
You're the fairest of them all, no doubt. Now close those beautiful eyes of yours. No peeking. Let's play a little game of hide and seek, shall we? You're it.
Ben, I'm really gonna get you for this. Wanna get some much-needed attention from your boyfriends? Well, you can try making him jealous. Poor Mike, there's nothing worse than finding your girlfriend in the arms of another man.
Excuse me, guys. Don't mind me or anything.
Babe, calm down. I'm just having a little snuggle with my new leg pillows.
Why, you little attention seeker? I'll find a way to give you that attention, all right?
If you happen to be eating right now, better take a break. The following content is also not recommended for the faint of heart. Ready for one of our most disgusting pranks? Let's roll. Whoops! Looks like somebody forgot to flush. A lot. Ew! I'm gonna be sick. Yeah, that's a pretty shitty way to start your day. Natalie, stop freaking out. It's just a date. Boys are people too. They're just like us. That's where you're wrong, Jess. You gotta look perfect on a first date. Uh-huh. Well, you do you, girl. Not again. Why does this always happen at the worst possible times?
What's wrong, Nat? Another one of your allergy attacks?
Yeah, hopefully it'll go away soon.
I know just what will help our little allergy-ridden curly girl.
Of course, tissues are essential to anyone suffering from allergies. But did you know that eyeshadow can also play an important role? Let's give that nose a good wipe. That's right, Nat. Get all of those germs out. Aw, thanks, Jess. I'm already feeling better.
You look a lot better, too.
Jess! You better run, girl!
Remember when Ashley painted my nails earlier?
Babe, could you grab my eye mask?
Of course, babe. I'll grab it for you, just after I liven it up a little bit. My pink nails and your gray eyeshadow will go great together. Here you go, darling. Good night and sweet dreams.
What a great night's rest. I bet my eye bags are all gone.
Aw, my sweet raccoon finally woke up from her nap.
It's blooper time. Which prank was your favorite? Hit that subscribe button and let us know down in the comments. See you guys soon!